The year was 1984. Ronald Reagan was president, Michael Jackson's at the top of the charts, and Team Associated releases the RC10 Buggy. Right away, the RC10 becomes the car to beat on the track and begins winning races all over the world.
Jamming, Jay Halsey, car number 2. His last lap at 13.3 for Halsey. Oh, he's cooking.
The big thing that changed my life is one associate approached me to race for them.
Well, this is the final product. This is what you get when you buy an RC10.
We built, I think, 6 different prototypes before we got to the RC10.
The silver car on the right there is the very first car that we made for prototyping.
Meanwhile, first place, world champion, 2-wheel drive, Masami Hirasaka.
The RC10 was doing great. I mean, they were selling everything they could make. And they couldn't make enough of them.
The RC10 was a game changer for me. When I was introduced to RC car racing in 1984, and the RC10 was released at the end of that year, I was completely hooked on the hobby. It was so different than anything else available, and so much more innovative that I immediately went out and bought 2 of them.
Well, we tried to make the suspension adjustable, and it's probably more adjustable than most people realize. There are things on here that we haven't even explored ourselves.
The fact is that the RC10 had a significant impact on my life by taking me in a completely different career path than I expected. I had worked in the motorcycle racing industry for many years, but after racing the RC10, meeting Roger Curtis, the designer, and joining Associated to lead their product development, I began a career adventure that spanned more than 35 years.
There he goes, Brian Kimmel wins the new World Championship in the confirmation. Brian Kimmel.
How pleased are you about this race today?
Most happy I've ever been.
Matt Francis wins his first big race, and it's the World Championship.
Down the front straightaway, over the table, the car, no quarter. Hidden Cavalier, Mayfield, 21-2.
He was happy to make the A main, but coming around, your new IFMAR World Champion, Spencer Rivkin!
We are going to see a repeat World Champion, we're going to see an American World Champion, we're going to see a Spencer Rivkin World Champion, we're going to see an Associated and Rivkin takes it! Rivkin the World Champion after 3 fantastic legs.
So it's something really that a family can do together.
I drive AE, you drive AE, and together we are AE. Over the last 40 years, the Team Associated RC10 has become a legend. And continuing with the Associated Electric 60-year celebration, we're excited to announce the release of the RC10 40-year anniversary kit.